Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover what is Maven. Okay, so let's get started. Maven is a project management tool. Okay, that is based on the POM. POM means page object model. It is used for project build, dependency, and documentation. Okay, so let's see. Current Maven version is 3 they have given. Okay, so you can go through this Java T point. Okay, Maven tutorial. So understanding the problem which we face without using Maven. Okay, so adding set of jars in your project. Okay, manually you have to add. Okay, so for removing this problem we will use Maven to create a right project structure. Actually Maven provide a project structure, so it is very simple and very easy to understand and user friendly. Now I'm building and deploying the project. The process of building and deploying is almost very easy. So what it does, okay, it makes a project easy to build. It provides uniform build process. Okay, Maven project can be shared by all the Maven projects. Okay, it provides project information like log documents, cross-referred resources, mailing, dependency, unit test reports. It is very easy to migrate for new feature of Maven. So build, documentation, reporting, SCM, release, distribution. Now what is our build tool? It generates the source code. Okay, documentation for the source code, compiles the source code, and package the compiled code into jar of zip file and install the packed code in a local repository, server repository, or central repository. Okay, so main things I'm just informing you, like what you need to remember. You just remember it's a project management tool. In this we use a POM, okay, project object model, in which we give some dependencies, some documentation also in place. Okay, and it provides simple some structure. Okay, and it is like if something is there like any jar, we need not to import it. Okay, just we have to update in the pom.xml file. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. If you have any question, please do comment. Okay, please subscribe my channel and like my video, do share. Thank you, bye bye.